Number two, in the case of Congressman Saldico, yes, he is willing to be a witness. Kung hindi man siya napayagan sa Blue Ribbon Committee na mag-Zoom, and we have done that, alam niyo ho yan, under suspended rules, pinapayagan natin yan, kung magagawa ito sa impeachment at naniniwala silang dapat malaman ang katotohanan. At syempre, bigyan din ng pagkakataon ng presidente na sumagot dito sa mga charges na nandito, Saldico is willing to testify on our behalf doon sa graft and corruption issue at sa lahat na nalalaman niyang bigayan ng pera maging yung pag-aayos ng budget in the program allocation.
Kung kay Saldico, was he voluntarily offered the being the state witness o kayo po ay nagkumbinsi sa kanya mag-state witness?
Nung malaman ni Saldico na mag-file ng impeachment complaint at lalo't malaman niya na pinlock, he is willing to testify to enhance the impeachment complaint we have filed. Ang sabi niya, noon nga sa Senate, gusto na niya sa Blue Ribbon Committee. Hindi siya pinayagan. Inaasahan niya at inaasahan namin na dito sa impeachment complaint ay papayagan siya mag-testify.
Mike,
Yeah, go ahead.
can you give us details on your communications with Saldico? Did he call you? Did you call him? What was the purpose of the call? Etc.
At a proper time, I will divulge. Pero ang primary sa akin is that he is willing to testify before the committee when asked. Kasi very critical yung kanya eh. As pointed out by Attorney Topacio and all the lawyers here, personal knowledge yung kanya. Nag-deliver siya nung sa 25 billion, nag-deliver siya sa Tamarind nung 800 and 200 million. Hindi, iba pa yun. Iba pa yung kay Yusek Bernardo at yung mga deliveries ng pera. So, at the proper time, Tina, magsasalita ako dyan, I will divulge it. Of course, alam kong critical na malaman sino ba lumapit, sino ba nagsalita, at ano yung kanyang interest to present. But what is important here, I think more importantly, is that Saldico is very critical. Sabi nga ni Harold, isang sindikato to na may nagsalita na at nagtuturo. Importanteng malaman natin ang katotohanan dito. Kung walang alam si Presidente, sinasabi niyang hindi siya tumatanggap, tingnan natin, ipaliwanag niya. Pero Saldico is very clear about it and very direct on the bribery at yung pagbibigay niya ng delivery ng pera kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos.
Clarification lang. Saan siya magte-testify? Blue Ribbon or sa impeachment sa House Committee on Justice?
Sa impeachment complaint, Tina. Once inalaw nila to and we are given a chance to consolidate and to have the witnesses, Saldico will be one of our major witness.
I-add ko lang bakit si Saldico is the best witness sa kickbacks issue ng aming complaint. He is a co-conspirator and under the rules of evidence, a co-conspirator can be presented as a witness. Kaya hindi nila pwedeng sabihin walang alam si Saldico. Siya ang may alam. And besides, he is the former chair of the Appropriations Committee of the House of Representatives. Klaro yan.